Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in France. So let's get started. So here I will just go to google.com and I will likely search for the France. So here we can see the top business bank. So the first bank is your BNP Paribas, then we have the Société Générale, then we have the Credit Agricole Group. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in your BNP Paribas. Okay, Paribas. So here we go. Okay, so from here we can directly open it. So here you have the bank website. So here we have private banking, then professional, then enterprise. So I will just go to enterprises. Okay, so here we can see, so we can just accept the cookies. So here we have the like detail. Okay, so from here you can see the latest news of the bank and other things. Okay, and if you see here you can click on the contact us button, and from here you have to like become a customer. Then you have to give your business detail and they will contact you, and from there you can open your business bank account here. So opening account will be require a minimum age of 18. You should have a legal business identity, and you should have a proof of address, and other things will be required. So by this way you can just open it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.